Hello folks, welcome back to our channel. Today, let's talk about kids drones. In this video, we are breaking down the 7 best kid drones on the market this year, based on price, performance, durability, and more. We are taking a look at products in all price ranges, so whether you are looking for an excellent value drone for your kid or the ultimate best one, we have an option for you. If you're interested in finding out which kids drones is the best one for you, stay tuned. And as always, all the links to buy the products discussed in this video are in the description below. For the most up-to-date information and updated prices, make sure to check the description. The products in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned until the end and don't miss anything. Starting off the list with Potenza upgraded A20. Here comes a super cute 2.4G remote control mini drone, a good toy for your kids as a birthday or holiday gift. The upgraded Potenza A20 portable drone is equipped with 4 round propeller guards, overall direction to protect your drone from damage when meeting collision, and it is very durable for kids playing. It also features the emergency stop when something unexpected happens. You can press the emergency button to land your aircraft in time, better to prevent your kids from accidental hurt. This drone with altitude hold function makes a super stable flight in both indoor and outdoor. You do not make an effort to control flying height. Just control the direction. It is also easy to control your aircraft with just one key to take off and landing. Kids and beginners can quickly grasp how to fly it. You could control the drone fly toward any directions by remote controller. Once expert, you could adjust it to the high speed and fly through the obstacle course hoops by Eagle Pro. Next we have Spacekey FPV. This amazing foldable drone has an airfoil and fuselage made of a PA plastic, which is more durable than ABS, making it convenient for flying indoors and outdoors. It is app controlled and features a 720p HD Wi-Fi camera for FPV real-time transmission, as well as headless mode, night LEDs, and one key takeoff and landing. It further has a low battery alarm warning and can be returned to where it takes off just by pressing one key return button. All these functions make the Spacekey FPV drone a great drone for kids, teenagers, and beginners. If you are already an expert, you can try out the 3D flip feature and speed mode 3 while capturing stunning videos. The flip and 360-degree rotation features of this drone offer you limitless enjoyment. You can even take videos while it's rotating. Also, the 3 speed modes make this suitable for beginners, intermediates, and experts. You could even try switching different speed modes when the drone is in flight for more fun. Next product on our list is Hollystone F18 1C. Now your kids can enjoy photography during flights as well. With its 720p HD camera and upgraded 4GB micro SD card included, your children are going to record the world in a brand new angle. The Hollystone F18 1C is equipped with one key return and security system to assist beginners and help prevent losing the drone. Its altitude hold function further allows the drone to automatically and stably hover at the desired altitude. Additionally, the headless mode makes it easy to control the drone's direction, and the easy remote control makes flying fun for kids, beginners, and adults. The 2.4G technology makes it possible for several models being played at the same time without interference, and the multi-axis gyro offers extra stability for easy handling and 360-degree flips. It is also equipped with LED navigation lights and remote control indicator lights for night flights. Moving forward, we have Hollystone HS200D. With altitude hold and headless mode, you can keep Hollystone HS200D hovering in the air and easily tell the direction. Press one key to take the drone off or land it. Featuring a new generation of modular design and being free to disassemble, its 720p camera and 120-degree FPV lens capture clear and beautiful images. You can also wear your VR glasses to enjoy the scenery while flying the drone. With the latest technology of the 6-axis gyro flying control system, you'll finish the flip with a little button. Even for beginners, it is effortless to get a fantastic performance with this highly responsive function. You can operate the drone through an app in a smartphone to activate gravity sensor mode, controlling the flight by holding and moving the smartphone accordingly. You can also hover the drone at a certain height once you release the throttle stick. It helps players at any level, especially beginners, to control the drone perfectly. Up next is Hollystone HS170. Enjoy hours of flying fun with this Hollystone HS170 Predator Mini RC helicopter drone. It features 2.4 GHz technology for smooth operation with less interference. This drone for kids has an aerodynamic design to reduce wind resistance as well, including a remote control and operating at a range of 30 meters to 50 meters. It guarantees stable flights with a 6-axis gyro stabilization feature. For many photographers looking to capture steady footages, this RC toy drone is a favorite. It also comes with HD camera RTF4 channel. Even better, there is an altitude hold function for more control during flights. Also, featuring 3 different speed modes for beginners to more advanced pilots. It is super fast at the highest speed for a micro quad. Furthermore, the colorful LED lights make it easy to identify the front and back to make the quad a great night flyer. Next product on our list is Qcopter. This Qcopter drone with camera comes with a powerful 3.7 volt 1100 mAh battery that can last as much as 30 minutes of flight time, compared to other brands that last just 6 to 8 minutes flight time. It also provides a spare battery to make sure you're unstoppable. Shooting on bird's eye has never been more convenient with its superiorly made materials and stabilization system. This drone can perform well even on high altitudes and 100 meters controlled distance. You can operate your Qcopter using your phone to enjoy real-time viewing right from your controller. And with its intuitive controls, beginners and even kids won't be overwhelmed when using it. Each box further contains a crash replacement kit, so you can repair it without needing to go to a store. Take vivid aerial shots with a Qcopter drone, equipped with an optimized high-definition Wi-Fi FPV camera instead of the usual 720p. You can now easily zoom and crop photos and videos for that perfectly curated frame. And finally, we have Force One UFO 3000. Fly day or night, the UFO 3000 mini drone for kids has 4 full-frame bright blue and green LED lights glowing during its flight. This lightweight, small remote-controlled drone flies in low and high speeds across the space-time continuum. You can use its 4-channel remote transmitter for racing multiple UFO drones. This mini quadcopter flies up to 18 minutes with the 2 included rechargeable toy drone batteries. The UFO 3000 Mini RC toy drone is designed with sturdy propeller guards to protect its copper blades during flight. You can get more control with altitude hold, which keeps your UFO drone hovering at a set height, and headless mode, which orients the mini drone to your remote. It is a great toy drone for kids and adults who want to fly right away with its 1-key start or stop button, letting you launch in a snap. That's it. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.